Shawna, pregnant. Really? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching, go ahead and subscribe and check out my other videos. Don't forget to like and drop a comment. Let me know if this is your first time. If this is not your first time, welcome back. You don't know, so you dig the foundation, or you put cement on block, or you do the what was the other things that people do, all them good stuff there, are you do that, are you dash it up. So welcome back. I have mad love for you guys. So of course, I know many of you are here for the title, and that's completely fine. I'm gonna clear things up, definitely, like it says. I think it's a little bit weird that this revelation came up. Prank or no prank, you know. Some persons that say me I wait for Kim to come clear this up. Like me? Seriously? I can't me tell you no, you know what I mean? But of course, I'm gonna clear things up in another video for you, so we're gonna just jump into it. But just before we do, I wanna do a quick shout out to SWACEKID Music here on YouTube. So if you don't hear about him yet, definitely go ahead and check out his channel, subscribe, make him know this is Kim send you. I'm gonna put the link down in the description as well. I also wanna shout out DC Connect Music on YouTube as well. I'm gonna add the link to the description. And finally, definitely wanna do a huge shout out to Mo Everyday Essentials. So MOE Everyday Essentials. Guys, find this page, you follow the page, message her. She does natural, all organic things for your skin, for your face, for your hair. So you can get coffee scrub, you can get nourishing oil for your hair, and all of that good stuff. Turmeric soap, it is amazing. So definitely go ahead and check it out. MOE Everyday Essentials. I'm gonna add the picture on the screen as well, preferably over here, so you guys can see it. Follow on Instagram, definitely message her and put your orders in. Let her know that Kim sent you. So like me say, I'm not gonna make this very long. We're gonna just jump into the video. Let's clear things up. Let's go. Alright guys, so because I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. I think it is strange that anybody at all is saying I'm waiting for Kim to confirm or deny these. But of course, you know, I'm gonna make them know what's up. So basically, here's how it started, right? So like she said in the video, she have this fat belly burner thing that she bought, and then she came to my house and she's been using it, blah blah blah. She complained about belly fat and yada 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 and whatever, but it now work and this, that, and everything. So yeah, she's pregnant for real, guys. Yes, she's pregnant for real. Yes, and I could not be more happy for her. Like, I am excited. I feel like our baby, like we're excited. I'm completely excited. And just like when Abby did tell me about her pregnancy, and I was like, oh, no, yeah, I'm gonna drop on Abby belly, all them good stuff there. I'm gonna put markup on the belly and all them something, and put loading until it reach 100. Yeah. So all that good stuff. So basically, it's like she come look for me and everything. She used the whole cream for her stomach and it wasn't working and yada yada yada. And then I had a friend come over, and here's how we should have known that something was off. So my friend takes one look at her and goes, don't run down Kim and Shawna, like you're beautiful right which part you're there, like don't run down Kim, don't get any bigger, nothing like that. And then me never did I take it for say, you know, whatever. But I suppose when she got home, she checked and she found out. So basically she messaged me and she not tell me about it, and me I say, you know, yeah, I'm happy for you. I'm excited for you. Yeah, new baby. Me is a ball of joy. So yeah, and also she did express to me the concerns that she put forward in her video, you know, about not being ready and being scared. But realistically speaking, even if it is something that's planned for, I genuinely believe that nobody is ready. And I'll tell you what I mean by that. It's because it's change. It is something that until you have experienced it, you're not experiencing it yet, so you're not gonna know a lot of things. Everything about it, matter of fact, is gonna be new. Your body will change. You're going to have aches and pains, you know, parts of your body we never even know exist, and all them stuff there. So I'm trying to like get her to understand that it's okay, it's completely fine. It's not like, you know, you're not a teen. This didn't happen outside of high school. You're an adult. And so with that being said, you know, we're all expecting you to handle this like an adult. Me, you know, she sort of, like I said, approached me with the whole idea of doing away with it and all that. But me, I say, you know, me not really, I can't support you if me not support that. But feel like if one bad situation did happen and that happen and you want to do that, then would I say, you know what, me not support you, but me gonna leave the decision up to you if you want to do that. But if I consent and you know this happen, no, I'm not gonna support that. So definitely, the whole of we glad for her. The whole of we wait for new baby and all that good stuff. I'm not sure what I want yet. Yeah, me I put in my order like a Chinese shop. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if me I gonna go, oh, teen girl, teen boy, but definitely. As time progresses, me will get the feeling of what me want, and because alright, a girl, alright, a boy, or whatever. But yeah, basically, like I said, the video not gonna be very long. So yes, she is. What I'm gonna say though is I also saw in her comments where a lot of persons were celebrating and have been celebrating with her since they found out. Some persons are not really sure, and this video definitely won't clear it up. So yeah, it's a happen, you know. But there was one comment I saw as well, and I said, no man, like, I don't understand what going for the person. Yeah, it's like this young lady was saying, oh my god, I am so disappointed because I noticed that all my YouTubers are pregnant now, and what if your child has a lot of piercings? What if you're like, what if your child has a lot of piercings? What if your child does this? There are a lot of children who are selling in the market. I said, so the baby are gonna come out with piercings? The baby are gonna come out already having employment in the market? Like, I never really understand what a girl are trying to say. I said, Miss B, relax yourself, like, relax. Me can imagine say you did intend good with your comment, but from the first word I dropped, then it don't make no sense, and it is disrespectful, and it is rude. I don't think Sean need all of this stress right now, especially when she's not even sure what she gonna do. But for the most part, guys, yeah, we are extremely excited and happy for her. I haven't seen her since she told me. I'm hoping that I'll see her next week after her birthday and all of that good stuff. But new baby on the way. Yeah, so while my people are asking for clear it up, see me I clear it up. Definitely. I understand say, you know, pranks were done, and it makes it harder to believe with pranks getting out there. But yeah, we're having a new baby. I say we because me genuinely feel happy, feel like I love babies, I do, and when my friends or anybody when me know get pregnant, me celebrate and me go, oh my god, me can't wait for this band, and me call up an agenda and all of that good stuff. And then if it's happening in my family, like my sister is having a baby, it's just like so much closer to me, and me can start put one each friend and I say, oh, everybody baby, you know what I mean? So yeah, new baby. So yeah, guys, so yeah, we'll get a you baby. And what I'm gonna say just to like wrap things up is, you know, support her, be there for her. Not much is gonna change. I know she's scared, but I mean, the older we there as far as, you know, moral support, and to let you know you're not alone. We have other relatives who've had babies, so I mean, you got persons to tell you this is gonna hurt, this isn't, whatever. I think for the most part, perhaps the inevitable pain a trip her up, because you don't know what say. We did if you ban a problem. But I'm gonna be there for that part there. But for the entire journey and the writing for stomach and all of that good stuff, yeah, I'm gonna be there. So yeah, guys, so we're definitely expecting a new baby. Things are gonna be hot, things are gonna be nice, things are gonna be great. So, you know, if you're Shawna A1 from day one supporters, keep on supporting her channel, keep on just being there for her. You know, as she said in her Q&A video, she want to gender reveal and all them good stuff there, and she want to baby shower, and best believe that I've already gotten my to-do list This is what you're going to be doing, Kim, and all them something. You don't know, say if that a keep, you're going to get MC Kim, and it's a go nice, and it's a go shell, and all them something there. So, yeah. Woo. Yeah, what you guys can do as well is help me come up with a middle name. I want to give my niece or nephew their middle name. Yeah. Hopefully, Shawna agreed to do double middle name, but it's not my call. Me like double middle name because we think it's cute. But you guys can help me suggest to her a middle name for the baby. Like, that is my personal touch. I want to give a middle name and all of that. Can you imagine one next Shawna? Stubborn. Oh my God. This picking in now go take telling. Oh my Jesus, have mercy. Like, this picking you got ears hard. You know, Shawna ears tough. And one thing gets so in her head. Oh my God. A dose of her own medicine. In your face. Yeah. But like we say, it's a journey for everybody. So we're all going to be there for her. We're all going to support her. We're really not alone. It's a village to raise a child. And we are an absolute matter of fact. Me are like 10 people in the whole village because my energy just always up. That's my dog letting me know that it's time for me to wrap up. Yeah, so I mean, we're all here for her. We're all going to be celebrating with her. And we're all very, very, very excited to welcome the new addition to the family. Y'all are going to get a mini That Girl Shawna. Y'all can call the baby like That Baby Shawna. That Girl Shawna baby. That baby Shawnisha. Shawnette. Shawner, if it's a boy. Shalisha. You see it? Baby names already. So anyway, guys, this was the video. I hope that you enjoyed. Yes, she is pregnant. Yes, we are happy for her. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And of course, look out for my other videos coming. Subscribe if you haven't already. Like, comment, let me know what you think. Big up yourself. It's baby season. Get cracking.